We have some breaking inputs coming in. Now a reaction from Union Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman, who has, of course, backed Prime Minister Modi's fast-track comment and has also hit out at the opposition for continuously disrupting the parliament. She says there is no point of shouting when the minister is willing to answer.
At the level of the Prime Minister, a response has been given. In fact, much before today's announcement of setting up fast-track courts, there are people, ordinary citizens who are in the country who, for their selfish reason, violated and bought and sold papers, leaked papers. They've all been arrested. And today's announcement by the Prime Minister assures the citizens, the mothers and the fathers who are so expecting their children and supporting them to make sure that they pass these examinations because it's their career.
आज माननीय प्रधानमंत्री श्री नरेंद्र मोदी जी ने स्पष्ट कर दिया है कि कठोर से कठोर कार्रवाई की जाएगी। जो दोषी हैं ऐसे कारनामों के लिए फास्ट ट्रैक कोर्ट बनाकर सजा दी जाएगी। हमारा कांग्रेस पार्टी और विपक्ष से अनुरोध है कि विषय का राजनीतिकरण ना करें, भागे मत, चर्चा कीजिए।
Pragya continues to be with us on the broadcast. Pragya, both union ministers saying that the assurance has come in from the very top, from the Prime Minister, that there'll be a fast-track hearing, day-to-day hearing as far as the paper leak cases are concerned. That shows the intention of the government as far as crackdown is concerned.
Swati, in fact, throughout the day, all the senior top ministers of the Modi government, they have come out and said and appealed, in fact, to the opposition that they should not run away from the debate, and instead they should not also they should also come to the parliament and session to discuss this particular NEET issue. They have also appealed to Congress specifically not to politicize the issue, and so did they appeal to Samajwadi Party as well. But having said that, the ministers also putting out the government's perspective and also saying that we have done a lot. Please come to the table. We will tell you what we have done, and all the students should also know what the government is doing, unlike other governments in the past. So, be it Nirmala Sitharaman, be it Shivraj Singh Chauhan, Piyush Goyal for that matter, Prahlad Joshi, Arjun Ram Meghwal, all of them have come out, in fact, and reiterated government stand that we are ready for discussion, we are ready for a constructive debate so that solutions come. And this is exactly what students need. Students do not need Andolan. They need solution. And this is why Mr. Piyush Goyal, when he was speaking to us, he said that bhagi nahi, debate kare. This is the underlying point of the government. And now the government is no more on the defensive, Swati. They are on the offensive right now. They are saying that, you just cannot hold Parliament to ransom. We are ready to give you solution. Please come for the solution. Do not make it an andolan. And neither the students, it will not help the students.
Pragya, discussion karo seems to be the appeal not just for the opposition but for CJP as well, for students as well. And that's the next breaking news that we are getting. Stay on with us, Pragya. The government has kept the channel open, the communication channel open with CJP. We're given to understand there have been 4 formal proposals in the last 24 hours. So this is a massive outreach as far as the government is concerned to the students, to the protesters. Formal proposals have been sent to protesters and standing invitation has been given to the students for a discussion. Government says, we will be present for discussions. We appeal you to come and discuss. Listen in.
सरकार की ओर से चर्चा के लिए हम हर समय तैयार हैं। सरकार के दरवाजे खुले हैं। This is a standing invitation to all our youth friends. आप किसी समय भी कभी भी चर्चा करना चाहे, आपकी सुविधा अनुसार हम चर्चा के लिए तैयार हैं और धीरे धीरे हम इसी चर्चा के माध्यम से समाधान की ओर बढ़ सकते हैं और समाधान से ही नया रास्ता भी निर्धारित हो सकता है। जितने भी पेपर लीक के जिम्मेवार दोषी लोग पाए जाएंगे उनको फास्ट ट्रैक के माध्यम से फैसला होगा ताकि जल्दी निर्णय हो और एक निर्णायक कार्रवाई भी हो।
Pragya continues to be with us on the broadcast. Pragya, Jitendra Singh says this is an open invitation, a standing invitation to the youth, to the students. If you want to talk, we are willing to talk whenever you're ready. So this is a massive outreach from the government side. Although there has been no mention of Dharmendra Pradhan, because that has been a constant demand that he should resign first. That's what the opposition says and CJP says. Government says we'll ensure justice to you through fast-track courts.
Well, Swati, government has been softening its stance, and in fact, they have been reaching out to the students. And in fact, there had been a round of consultation and discussion with them. But there has been a condition that has been put out by CJP that they would want to meet and speak to the government at the Dharna Sthal, which looks quite impossible because this is not how government operates, and this is not how you can pressurize the government. Secondly, we were speaking to few of the senior Congress MPs, Swati. As far as this demand of resignation of Dharmendra Pradhan is concerned, even they believe that any sort of external force cannot be accepted by any prime minister in the country, not even the former Congress prime ministers would have agreed to it. So and this cannot be the case with Narendra Modi, Prime Minister of India right now as well. So there is a general understanding in the Congress leaders as well that this demand is illogical and cannot be fulfilled, and that is probably the reason why Rahul Gandhi keep on insisting about the resignation of Dharmendra Pradhan. And this also speaks a lot about the intuition and also intent of the opposition. So, having said that, government has made it very clear they are open to discussion. Please come to the solution on the table.
All right.